sure you are all waiting to talk to both Arjun and Deepika, and we shall now move into a question-answer session. And may I please request you to follow the rules? Same rule: raise your hand, use a mic, say where are you from, and questions. And please remember one thing: today's press conference is about Goa tourism as a destination partner for Finding Fanny. Please keep the subject, please keep to the subject so that you can get the answer which helps you to write a story.
There's a certain colloquial flavor that Finding Fanny needed because of the language. English was very important because it's based in a very local sensibility of Goa. It's not the touristy side alone. Normally in films you tap into the more known side of Goa, in the sense the more visually known side of Goa. The heritage and the history of Goa that Homie wanted to tap into because he's based the film there. He wrote it there. It was imperative that we find a unique interpretation of it for it to look unique, for people to get excited also to see a new side of it. So it was a fantastic experience to discover for us. We've always been to Goa as tourists and enjoyed holidays, but this time I got to see so much more of Goa that possibly I wouldn't have if it wasn't for Finding Fanny. It's a beautiful place, wonderful people to interact with, and I think there's a certain energy that Goa brings to you, which is about just being and not about running. Like Bombay की energy एक होती है ना कि भागा दौड़, खच खच खच, दीपिका दीपिका दीपिका, खच 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 खच, ये इन सबको अगर हम गोवा ले जाए ना तो वो भी आराम आराम से कि एक एक करके फोटो लेंगे.
बहुत ज़्यादा, इनफैक्ट आई फील लाइक आई एम हाफ गोइन, क्योंकि मैं मैंगलोर से हूँ और बहुत सारी सिमिलैरिटीज़ हैं बिटवीन मैंगलोर एंड गोवा. तो फूड डिपार्टमेंट मेरा था. मैंने एक आइडेंटिफाई किया एक लेडी को जो घर से, मतलब घर का खाना बना के वो बेचती है. रेस्टोरेंट का खाना नहीं है, ऑथेंटिक घर का खाना है, बट गोएन टाइप. तो वेरी मतलब प्राउडली मैं रोज़ उनको फ़ोन करती थी बाय लंच टाइम और कहती थी कि आज हमारा इस वक्त को पैकअप होगा, तो आज का मेन्यू ये. एंड बाय 7:30 शी वुड कम, यू नो, लाइक हाउ मम्मीज ब्रिंग अ टिफिन विद गरम गोवन फूड. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ गोवा, कि अगर आप एकदम टूरिस्टी कुछ चीज़ें करना चाहते हैं तो वो भी है, और अगर आप कम्प्लीटली मतलब सेक्लूडेड रहना चाहते हैं और प्रिवेसी चाहते हैं तो वो भी मिल सकता है. बट आई थिंक फाइंडिंग फैनी के द्वारा हमको, लाइक अर्जुन सेड, वी गॉट टू डिस्कवर अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ गोवा. यूजुअली जब हम जाते हैं, होटल में जाते हैं, जो रेगुलर चीज़ें हम जानते हैं, होटल्स, लोकेशंस, रेस्टोरेंट्स, वहीं जाना होता है. बट थैंक्स टू दिस फिल्म आई थिंक वी गॉट टू डिस्कवर अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ गोवा, जो शायद बहुत साल पहले वैसा था, विच इज़ अ गुड साइन, विच मीन्स दैट देव स्टिल प्रिजर्व्ड the city for what it is, and yeah, we had a great time.
यार अब मैं honestly as an actor actor होने के नाते आंसर करूँ, for me the whole film was exciting because it was such a big test for me to perform in English, to go out of my comfort zone in my 5th film. So everything was exciting. I was really excited to share screen space with all the actors, work with Homie because I loved his work, to be able to tell a story devoid of the typical song dance routine. All those factors excited me to do the whole film. In isolation, to take out a scene, आपने ट्रेलर में काफी कुछ देख लिया होगा, तो I think you guys can see the film and then tell me what you guys thought was my best scene. I've put my best foot, my 100% in every scene.
Yeah.
I've put my whole body forward. इसलिए चाटा भी पड़ गया इनसे, मैंने बॉडी को ज्यादा ही आगे फॉरवर्ड कर दी थी.
There's a scene in the trailer where we talk about the morning after, and and I talk about it being better, and he says better, and I say yeah, so is this the best it ever gets? And he says no, so I say yeah, better. But you have to watch the film and understand the context of where it's coming from.
If I can just add to that, when I read the script, I found that scene very interesting because most men in our country are very they have a certain thought process where this word is concerned, which I'm going to say, don't freak out, it's called sex. There, suddenly everybody's, oh, he's talking about sex. Yeah. Most men have a certain interpretation of how life should be or things should be post-sex. In this context, when you see the film, I don't want to give too much away, but as actors, we got to discover a new dynamic to play off each other, which is really interesting, and I wouldn't like to put it on a platter and give it to the audience. Let them see it and discover it for themselves.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to go right now to Goa if I had an opportunity. Honestly speaking, it's the
Since you have not traveled abroad, you said.
No sir, I have travelled abroad, just not
If
as an
somebody
actor.
approaches you for
मेरा
Goa,
पासपोर्ट है, उस पर 2-3 जगहों के वीजा लगे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, पर अगर गोवा 40 मिनट दूर है फ्लाइट से बॉम्बे से, तो I would obviously love to go to Goa every time. And if you have a place like Goa in the country, you don't need to think about travelling abroad, which is the nice part. I don't know about honeymoon. Any given opportunity, I think even she'll agree. Goa is the place for people like us to sort of move away from the hustle and bustle of the city, and I'm sure all of you all are. It's a pretty self-explanatory thing. I think that's why Goa is such a beautiful place, because it's a very popular place for that reason. You can have your space, you can mingle with people, and you can enjoy the beauty, and you can do various things that you can't do in a hectic city like Bombay or Delhi or Bangalore, for example, or wherever.